Hello, my name is Panos Prevedouros and I'm running for mayor of the beautiful city and county of Honolulu. We have a big problem here with our water mains. We have one major break per day. This is actually terrible and very expensive. We need to work on it. Let me show you though a slideshow of how much damage water mains cause. Let's look at the specifics. Here you see a water main essentially discharging water, and the power of them is to discharge thousands of gallons per minute. So we lose a lot of water every time we have a water main break. Here is an example of a recent water main break in Kaneohe, essentially springing through in the middle of the street, and this is part of the big problem we have with water main breaks. They close roads, they close neighborhoods, they close schools, they pollute the water, and in many cases they affect businesses. Here is another one in Waianae where it flooded the entire street and essentially it put on hold on a nearby construction project. This is Kalihi. The entire street is cut off and a mini lake has been created. In the small picture you can see the water is knee deep, so huge waste of water. Here side by side, one of them is another water main break in Waianae, and the one on the right is on the Leeward coast. Major breaks, major detours, major headaches for the community. What is the power of these things? Well, look at this. This is in Makaha. The water main break that ruptured, in essence destroyed a corner unit on the third floor of a mid-rise apartment. So these are very powerful and they cause a lot of damage. And when we talk about traffic disruptions, look at this. We have a tidal wave in the middle of Nimitz Highway. I mean, that is critical for our flow as a major 6-lane arterial, and it took over half a day to repair it. Another big one also on the Ala Moana Boulevard in front of the Ala Moana Shopping Center. And this one is also terrible because, as you see, the police has entirely closed the road, which means paralysis on parallel streets. A very bad one was in the spring of 2010 in Waikiki, where Alawai Boulevard in our tourist engine Waikiki closed for over 2 days to repair this water main break. And as you see now, mud and ugliness, and the costs are very high to repair this. The impact of these closures is tremendous, and here you see that 2 schools recently had to close, one in Moiliili and another in Kalihi. A third one right here, Iolani, and actually my daughter is going to summer school in Iolani, and the same location, the same water main broke in 2009 and again in the summer of 2010. So these things are really very frequent and very expensive to fix. Winding down here, you see we have a water main break in Manoa, and it cut down the power because it sprung over utility and power lines. You see the hole on the road, and then the tremendous construction and support that is needed to fix the project. So, as you see, water main breaks are a big problem on Oahu. We need to fix them. This comes with a price tag of $1 billion. It's a major cost, but we need to do it for the future quality of life of us and our children. Now, on September 18th, you have the opportunity to elect an engineer for mayor instead of one of 4 politicians. Please vote Panos Prevedouros for mayor of Honolulu. Mahalo.